If you head over to Google Play Store, you're gonna see there are tons of mobile games that you can see on these applications are all monetized money. The same thing applicable to iOS App Store. People are developing mobile games and monetizing with AdMob and lot more. In this very video, I'm going to simply guide you on the top best platform that can help you develop your own mobile game. So if you watch this video down to the very end, I'm going to give you a bonus tip that will help you to market your application for people to download. So if you are meeting me for the first time, this is John Francis. What I teach you, I'm proven ways to make money online. If this interests you, hit that like button. So don't forget to subscribe to this very channel to become part of the community. All right, so if you've done that, welcome to the community. So in this very video, I'm going to guide you on the best platform that can help you get template for mobile games, then create these mobile games without even coding and monetizing with AdMob and other ad networks. Okay, the last two are just my best. Okay, so the first website on our list, we have the Boo Box. And this particular platform is a no-code platform that requires you to just only sign up your account. Once your account is signed up, then you can simply go ahead and create any type of game that you want to create on this very platform. Okay, so accessing the site is very easy. All you have to do is simply head straight to this particular domain right here, and if you head over to this very platform, there are a lot of game templates on the platform which are basically for free, and you can easily sign up and get this template to develop your mobile game and also monetize with AdMob. Right, so the best part of this very platform is that the mobile games you're going to develop here are going to be available for both Android and iOS. Okay, you just need to click on this sign up button. You can download it on your Windows or Mac store. Right, when you download this software, you can simply use it and create your app. Once your app is created, there are tons of ways simply by integrating ads, just like integrating AdMob ads to your application. When you've already added ads, you can also add in-app purchase. Okay, you can use your mobile phone to create that. Okay, I've already made tons of videos on how to create no-code app, no-code games. If you've not watched my previous video, go straight to the Make Money Online playlist. You're gonna see all the videos I've already dropped about making money with your mobile app. Okay, the second one on our list, we have the gdevelop.io. This is a software that helps you to create a mobile game as well. Okay, so this particular platform, I've already made a video on how to create an app right here. So if you've not watched that video, just go ahead and check out the link on the comment section, then get the video, watch the video on how to create your mobile app on this very platform. Basically, you can create your mobile game as well on the platform, and this is one of my best. I like so much. They have an open source feature, free template for mobile games. Okay, so there are a lot of templates that have already been built for you. All you need to do is simply come here. You can customize the name, customize the color, customize how the emojis look like, customize most of the characters on your games. Okay, so if you can customize that, then the app become yours. All right, all you need to do is simply click on the download button. You can download this software on your desktop, or you download it on your mobile phone, or just head straight to the browser, then click on start creating your game. Okay, when you click on this, you can create your game on this very platform and monetize with your ads. Okay, you can monetize with either AdMob, Facebook audience network. There are a lot of ads network that you can easily use to monetize your application. It is not only AdMob, right? So if you want me to make videos about AdMob alternatives, just comment AdMob alternative on the comment section. If I see your comment, then I'm going to simply make a video about that. Okay, that is by the way. All you need to do is simply get started with this platform, then monetize with AdMob and other ads, and also with in-app purchase. Okay, you can develop a cool classy application or mobile game. All right, then the next application that's going to help us by creating no-code app is gamemaker.io. okay, so this is an AI platform that helps you to create mobile games. All right, so most of the mobile games you're going to simply create here are 100% 3D. okay, so this platform have already done the whole work for you. They just gave you the template. Just go ahead and customize the template like other ones I've already showed you. All right, so the best part of this very video is that you can make use of any of them like at once. Okay, you can make use of them simultaneously, then create your mobile games. When your game is created, give them different names, publish them online. With the free version, you can create your app on this very platform without credit card, make your game, and also upload your game to gs.games. all right, so when you upload your games right here, like I told you, I'm going to simply give you the best at the ending part of this very video. Okay, the second to the last software that's going to help you to create your mobile game without coding or writing any single code is construct.net. okay, so this is construct.net. so on this very platform, you create games when people download your game and play it. Okay, so you can see these are the samples of 3D games that this platform can help you build. There are a lot of templates right here, and each of these templates are 100% free, okay, unless you want to upgrade. Okay, hit on this create account button, register your account, then select a template. When you select the template, you can customize the background. For instance, if this is the type of game you want to create, you can change the car color to red or change the background to 3D color. Okay, so this is what you can do with this very platform, right? So there are a lot more you can do here when you create your account, and you can monetize your application with in-app purchase, where people can pay for a specific option for both iOS and Android. Okay, and another platform that can help you create your mobile game without coding, which is one of my best, I like so much, is AppGiver. All right, so this is appgiver.com. all right, so most of you have heard about this platform. If you know about App Creator 24, you should know about this very well right here. Okay, so this is basically a mobile app builder that can help you build a mobile app, mobile games, and lots more. Okay, when you head over to this platform, you can create your account by clicking on this explore button. When you develop your application, go ahead and monetize that and then publish it on App Store, right? So there's no coding required on the platform, and you can monetize your application with Google Ads. You can monetize with in-app purchase. If you've gotten all of this platform right now and you've already created your application, the question you might be asking is, how am I going to get people to download my application? Okay, so one of the best I'll advise you to do is this. Most of these platforms I'm going to simply show you right now are not competitive. For instance, if you head over to this very website right here, this is GX Games. On this platform, this is where you can publish any type of game of your choice, all right, both in the game and lot more, and you get people that will download this very game. All right, so all you need to do is simply get people to download. So if you get people to download it, because those people are going to be visiting your app to play the game, and also they will see the ad. Okay, and apart from app stores and all of that, you can market your application through Facebook ads, TikTok ads, Instagram ads, Google ads, and lot more, right? Another website that can help you get your application right there online for people to download is what I called APK Pure. All right, so we have APK Pure, we have APK Miro, APK Combo, and lot more, right? So on this very platform, you're going to see a lot of games, application as well, that are also on Play Store, App Store. Okay, so most of these people are getting a lot of engagement, most of these people are getting a lot of download, because this platform is also massive. Okay, they have a lot of audience and they have millions of visits per month. Okay, if you create your application, head over to this video website, then publish your app right here. Okay, so most of these apps you're seeing right here, they're also on Play Store. Like I showed you, if you want me to make a video on AdMob alternatives, then I want you to comment AdMob alternative. Then if I see your comment right there, I'm going to simply make this very video, and I've already made a video on how you can make your first from AdMob. If you've not watched that video, the video showing you on your screen right now is going to help you to achieve that. I'm going to see you right there. Don't go anywhere.